Hi, this is Julia Wiley. Welcome to my yoga and meditation channel. Today we're going to be doing a simple guided meditation which can be done after a yoga class or any time that suits you, anytime you want to relax and take a mental break, refresh the brain and recharge. So sit yourself or lie yourself down and make yourself very, very comfortable. You don't need any special knowledge or information or experience to do these videos. All you have to do is relax and listen to my voice. If at times you find that your mind wanders, just gently bring it back to my voice, or just let the breath wash through you. Beginning with your toes, feel a wave of relaxation slowly moving up through your body. Mentally relax your toes and move on to your feet. Relax them completely. Feel the relaxation moving up through your legs, relaxing your calves, your knees and thighs. Feel the relaxation coming up into your hips and the abdominal region. Feel your tummy gently rising on the inhale and falling softly as you breathe out. Relax all your internal organs. Relax your buttocks and feel the wave of relaxation slowly moving up your spinal column. Feel the relaxing feeling coming into your chest as you breathe very slowly and gently. Take a couple of deeper breaths now and really let yourself go, relaxing more and more with each exhale. Now relax your fingers and your hands, your wrists and forearms, and now your upper arms. Take a big breath in and squeeze your shoulder blades together tightly. Then exhale and relax. Feel the wave of relaxation moving up the back of your neck and into your head. Relax your face and your whole head. Relax your cheeks and your eyeballs and the muscles around your eyeballs. Relax your forehead. Feel it smoothen out with each exhale. Breathe evenly and deeply in and out 3 times. and then return to your normal pattern of breathing. In your mind's eye, picture yourself standing in the countryside with a large, beautiful wood in front of you. It looks like a wonderful, peaceful place with only the soft rustle of leaves and the sound of bird song in the air. There are 3 paths leading into the wood from where you stand. Look at each of them carefully, and then choose the one that most appeals to you. Maybe it will seem a little brighter or more colourful than the others. You choose to follow this one and start to walk down the path. Allow yourself to really experience the wood. Notice how you feel. Notice what you see, what you hear around you, and the smells of the wood. Maybe you will come across another person, an animal, or an object of interest. If you do, think what that person or object represents to you. If you see a place that looks inviting to enter, then go inside and see what's in there for you. If you see nothing but the wood, then just enjoy this place, absorbing the sights and the sounds and the scents. Whatever you see is what you are supposed to see today. Trust your vision. Now it is time to leave this wonderful wood. So start to stretch yourself out. Take a couple of deep breaths in and out. And imagine yourself retracing your steps out of the wood. It gets lighter and lighter as the trees thin out, until you are back where you started, hopefully feeling fresher, calmer, and perhaps having gained some wonderful insight. Know that you can always return to this wood whenever you want to. So take a couple more deep breaths now, stretching out anywhere that feels good, and then slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. Do join me again for some of my future meditations. Namaste.